In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use open sessions to collaborate with anyone with FigJam. If you want to quickly invite other people into a FigJam board without going through a more formal setup process, open sessions can make collaboration much easier. This is especially useful when you want to share a board with classmates, teammates, clients, or really anyone who needs to jump in and participate. To get started, open your FigJam board first. Before you do anything else, make sure the board is not a draft. That part matters because open sessions need to be used from a board that's ready to be shared. So just take a moment to confirm you're working in the correct FigJam file before moving on. Once your board is open and ready, go to the top right corner of the FigJam screen and click the share button. This will open the sharing window, which is where you'll find the options related to inviting other people and managing access. If you're following along for the first time, it's a good idea to pause here and look over the window so you know where everything is located. Inside that share window, look for the open session section. When you find it, click start. This activates the open session for your FigJam board and makes it possible for other people to join through the board link. This is the key step that turns your board into a space that's ready for live, easy collaboration. After the open session is active, copy the FigJam link. Make sure you copy the correct link after the session has been started, since that's the version you'll want to share with others. This saves time and helps avoid confusion when people try to join. Next, send that link to anyone you want to invite. You can share it with classmates for group work, teammates for brainstorming, clients for feedback, or anyone else who needs access to the board. As long as they have the link, they'll be able to join the session you opened. And that's it. Once the session is running and the link has been shared, your collaborators can jump in and start working with you in FigJam. It's a simple way to make collaboration faster and more flexible, especially when you need to bring people together quickly. If you're using FigJam for workshops, planning sessions, or visual brainstorming, this feature can be a very convenient tool to keep in mind.